I can't believe it exists. It seems made up, like fairyland.
And it seems truly medieval here. It like feels like a place, like a knight could ride through.
Okay.
All right, we are back from England, and so much has happened in the short time that we've been back, and I can't wait to share that with you once we're done with our English videos. But I wanted to pop on here and say that we're really excited because Elijah's starting a new venture. His friend Kay and his wife have been like a second family to him there in Japan, and they are starting a Japanese tourism business. They have really beautiful videos of Japan and all of the amazing places you can visit, and they'll be offering guided tours there in Japan. So if you want to pop over and see his new video, I'm going to put a link down in the description here. Even if you don't go to Japan, you can pretend like you're going to Japan through his beautiful videos. But if you really want to go, you can hire he and his friend Kay to show you around. So without further ado, let's get back to England. It's day 3 of Andrew's senior trip, and we were so charmed by the Cotswolds that we rearranged our plans a little bit so we could stay another day. We're going to head to the town of Painswick because from everything we've read online, it's a great place to start a hike. On Andrew's bucket list for the trip was to hike through the English countryside, and we're hoping that this hits the spot.
We have arrived in, what is this? Painswick?
Painswick. It's a medieval village, and it's perfect. I don't think it comes through probably on the video, but the buildings are so tiny. It makes it feel so quaint. Look how pretty it is.
Megan, what are your thoughts on Painswick so far?
It's perfect. It's crazy. It's perfect. Yeah. Often when we travel, you're like, I can't believe this place exists, and like nobody talks about it because there's so many incredible places in the world, and like where you're like, I can't believe it exists. It seems made up, like fairyland.
And it seems truly medieval here. It like feels like a place, like a knight could ride through. Or
and then
you know,
people just live here.
Yeah, there's just like a car parked in that garage right down there.
And everyone's really nice too.
Yeah, and they speak English.
Yes, so this has been a benefit to coming to England for us.
They speak English. They know English too.
I know. Somehow they know the same language we do. But they must have learned it at school.
Okay, now we're in an old, I don't know what you would call this. It's beautiful. It has like historic wallpaper and beautiful wood floors and furniture and walls. And this is really good. It's like,
They call it flapjack.
is that what flapjack is here?
That's it.
But it's like kind of like a Rice Krispie, but made with oats.
Oreos.
Like
Oats.
oats, and it's really good.
Mm-hmm.
Everything's beautiful here. I love English country style. Finished my tea, my peppermint tea.
So we asked the woman working at the bar about the walks here, and she handed me a couple of these. These were really cute. Just they're free. Somebody, our Gordon obviously put these together, but they're little like maps of these little walks, and he or she goes through and
In
describes
detail.
every turn. Go through wooden kissing gate and bear right to head up the right side of the field.
That's awesome. So let's head out. We're gonna go get some Sammy's.
Get some sandwiches taken with us, and we'll use our little guidebook to get through our walk. We're grabbing some lunch for the road. Megan's got, what is that?
This?
That doesn't look like lunch. That looks like dessert.
Honey and apricot cake.
Okay. This is the little mini grocery store in Painswick, at least where we are in Painswick right now.
Black pudding ring.
That was my
Okay.
name in middle school.
We'll leave that. We ended up on the golf course, but apparently no one's on the golf course today as far as playing golf. So we're allowed to walk on it, getting beautiful views.
We're lucky enough that we actually could have worn t-shirts.
I know, we're all
super hot.
we're a little more bundled. Andrew's lucky, he's got a t-shirt. Megan and I both have long sleeve shirts, but the weather kind of turns pretty quickly, so.
Should we eat some lunch?
Yeah, I think we should. I noticed there's like some benches. There's one right there.
Run over there. See that one?
Let's do that one.
That looks pretty.
There, dude. Oh, that dude was it. Picnic time. Up on the hill. Our cheese board is made of cardboard.
That's good cheese. That's really good cheese.
Look at the pretty flowers we're next to.
We have pretty flowers we're eating next to as well. Look at those.
This cheese is
It's raining just a little bit.
This cheese is the only subject my mother had to address the whole hike up here. Every conversation comes back to cheese somehow.
Cheddar.
Well, they got good cheddar in these parts. The weather has been on and off today. The rain is coming on right now. Hopefully it's short-lived. I think it is.
This might be one of the loveliest places we've ever had a picnic.
It's pretty nice.
Because every once in a while there'll be a few drops and wind, but then it's so green as you can see.
As you can plainly
And we're eating English cheddar and English cake, honey and apricot cake. Look at this. It's so yummy. And it's just lovely. It's perfect. Not hot, no bugs,
No, it's great.
quiet. It's great. We're leaving the cover of the trees and heading out into the valley and into the rain. It is beautiful.
Look, you can see the cows way down there.
You
Have you already filmed this road where it's closed all in? There's some cows right over there.
They're trying to stay out of the rain.
Moo. Wait, can you do your cow sound again, Mom? No, you did a better one earlier.
Hello. Hello. Hi. Hi, mommy. Talking to animals. I'm like, I want to go up there. Oh, hi.
Oh, hello.
Hi. Oh, look at your shining eyes. You're so pretty.
Pretty.
We're coming to the bottom of our road, and it's been very pretty. Steep, pretty road.
Yep.
With hedges on either side. And there's a farmhouse around the corner that I'm very excited to see. Oh, the hedges are just a little bit too tall.
Pretty.
This is where you get to walk across people's land, huh? I hope we're getting onto the public footpath.
It says you'll now follow the Painswick stream.
Do this. Where you open the gate on the private land. Because you're allowed to do that in England. Here we go. First of all, look at the hedge. The yew hedge they have coming into their house. And then it looks so old and perfect, but so old. Man. And their creek, they have a creek running through their yard. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine living here?
Look at that little balcony.
This place is medieval. That is an old house.
The river running right next to it.
It's probably not medieval, but it's old. Isn't that pretty, Dad?
That's really pretty.
Okay, but we're going the wrong way.
Yeah, it's raining pretty good right now.
And Andrew doesn't have on the best of shoes.
I have whalerskin shoes.
Yes.
I forgot to tell Andrew to bring hiking shoes.
Yeah, look how smooth these
They
are.
look like dolphin skin on the bottom. They're from Costco.
I longboard with them and I slow down by putting my foot down, so they're just scraped away the little traction I have until it's literally marble
And the top
smooth.
is just mesh, so your feet are just like soggy.
Yeah.
Okay, let's turn around and go back the way we're supposed to go. Whoa. That's incredible. It looks like a hamlet, but it's just an estate. That's amazing.
Is this your new house you pick?
Yes.
Right.
Amazing.
That yard is great. It looks like I want to play like a place you play tag, green, you know, running through those little gates.
The wisteria that's about to bloom.
Oh,
That would be incredible.
let's get out of here before someone comes out that front door.
Goodbye, beautiful country estate. I love you. They're like, well, you're still on our estate.
It's very British right now.
It is very British. I didn't bring my really heavy duty raincoat.
I told you to.
I know, Mike told me to. It's not as long, but now this raincoat has reached its limit, so it's just soaking my sweater underneath. I'm hoping though, I saw some blue sky over there,
Ooh, look at my shoes.
that it
This is nice.
ends pretty soon so I can take it off.
All right, so we had rain, now we got sunshine again. We're all soaked, and we look it too, but the sun came out.
This is what the experience we were looking for, right?
And I don't think there's any way around it. If you're gonna be in England for any amount of time outside, you're gonna get rain and sun.
We didn't come to England.
That's right.
Right, you have to have some rain. And we got some beautiful cottages. Anyhow, so I think we're gonna go back on the path. All right, what are you doing here?
So sometimes there's a gate, like Andrew was saying, and other times they just have little things you climb over.
Right. They're pretty stones, which I think used to be the style to climb.
It's not muddy anymore.
You got some sheep here, folks. Oh, they're not interested in us, though. Look at them go.
Oh, I just want to pick it up and hug it. I love you. Bye.
Okay, I think this is the last style we're going over, because this is actually the town right here. We're back in Painswick. I thought Painswick was way over there. It's totally off.
You were way off.
But we just are coming out of it. Our car is actually not too far.
Did you look at that? That's so pretty.
It's quite beautiful. It's nice to have these little metal things here to keep you from slipping. Watch me slip, though. Ooh. Okay.
I'm assuming we're turning left. Is that correct?
Back up the road. Yes, I believe so. We made it. And it's raining again.
That was fun.
That was really fun. That's a good idea to get this one.
It's just like so sunny.
Ooh, look, the sun over there on the hill.
Oh, that's very pretty. Are we going the right way now?
Yes, we are.
Okay.
It'd be fun to find.
So the sun is over there.
Look at Here's our place. This is a beautiful street. So beautiful.
Gotta get some wood.
Okay.
Wow, that is great. Very cozy.
Very cozy indeed.
It is. It's a cute little table. Fireplace. It's got a little few pieces of wood.
Those are kindling, that's for starting it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
It smells good in here. Got a little closet over there. That's so cute. Teeny tiny stairs.
Let's take off our shoes, Meg.
Look how tiny the stairs are. Okay, I'm gonna go up in this teeny tiny loft. Very cozy though. Nice. Nice. Oh, a little tiny Victorian fireplace. There the boys are going to get our luggage. Pretty. Okay. Now, Andrew showered, got on some dry shoes.
Yeah, the only shoes I have that aren't soaked in mud.
Yeah, and we're headed up to dinner. At the same place we were earlier because it was very charming.
Super long walk.
Yeah, it's right up, right there. The Royal Oak. 1760.
Watch this stuff.
This is the menu right here, by the way.
Got our food almost. I don't have mine yet, but that looks really good. Some pork chop?
A little top, lamb chop.
Lamb chop. Mushroom risotto. Yummy.
Okay, Megan is going to the bathroom, but we got dessert.
The custard smells.
Dude, just smell this custard.
Oh my. Why didn't I order one?
You still can.
You know I wouldn't finish.
Want to go up there and get one?
No, it'll take forever. Yeah, Andrew will.
Custard with
Dad will finish it.
raspberry and peach. Yum. It looks really hot.
That is indeed warm.
Custard's really good.
Very warm.
All right, Andrew, what are we doing?
We're watching this like traditional dancing, like men's dancing thing.
There are all these guys in weird costumes hitting back a ton of alcohol before they start dancing.
Yeah, they're drinking a ton.
I love it. They're just like, boom, 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 boom.
Yeah, like they're supposed to be performing right now, but they gotta get in a few pints
I think
beforehand.
this is an art done best. Well, a little bit, full of beer. And I like the different types of characters that are here. Different age ranges.
He just said blind.
You see before you the only fit man of Lessington. And there are one or two that aren't quite as fit as they used to be. This is an art called Balance the Straw. This time.
Sometimes really magical things happen to you while you're traveling, and being able to see these local dancers definitely hit that spot. But we stopped recording and something even more amazing happened. We were talking to some locals, and you don't really want to turn the camera on when you're meeting people and talking to people. But out of nowhere came a little fellow and introduced himself as Les the Log. And we had him say his name again because we didn't understand what he was saying. I'm Les the Log. I can't do the accent, but he said that logs are like drugs to him, and when he sees a log, he has to have it. And then he walked away, and another local guy told us a story about how Les was holding up traffic because he was dragging a dang log across the road. And it was just a quick moment, but for the rest of our trip and to this day, we're still so excited that we got to meet Les the Log, the local log collector who finds logs to be like drugs.
A little bit later in the evening, we got our fire just heating up in there. And just actually put some more logs on it. We went on a little walk, right?
We walked around town through the graveyard, through past all the beautiful buildings. But really, when it comes down to it, we're obsessed with Les the Log.
I just want to see Les the Log again. I hope I bump into him, but I didn't. I looked in the pub trying to see him.
Did we talk about Les the Log on camera already? I must have
and
missed that.
he said logs are like drugs for him.
Yeah.
He loves the logs. Les the
I
Log
want to see inside Les's house.
is a legend.
He is. He's a legend.
Okay, we should close this now so that it slows down a little bit. And it'll heat us up. And move Andrew's shoes so they don't melt.
I don't know. I think it's time to melt those down.
Yeah, these shoes they're not looking so great. But
Right.
now we need to have one of these YouTube channels that just has the fire
Yes.
going. We just need the sound. There's no crackling when it's closed.
I can make it.
But it looks pretty good. We should do slow-mo. Hang on. It is the following morning, and we're actually headed out. We're all done in the Cotswolds. So
This street that we stayed on was first built in the 1300s. These buildings.
1300s.
Pretty crazy.
For us Americans, that's pretty
I
crazy.
think that's probably crazy for a lot of people.
Yeah. So Cotswolds was awesome. Highly recommend it. And there's a great little Airbnb right down here in Painswick. Painswick, right?
Mm-hmm.
Anyways, awesome place. Very fun. Last night was very magical, wandering around and eating at the pub and watching the dancers. It was just great.
Les the Log.
Les the Log was a highlight for everybody. We didn't get him on camera though, did we?
No.
Oh. Another character of the Cotswolds. Anyhow, so that's it. Thanks for coming along. Like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video as we head up to
York.
York. Today we're going to York. All right. See ya. Bye.
Bye.